I already know this video is going to piss some people off and I'll probably lose some subscribers from it, but I have some fairly strong opinions on our school system. Now, what prompted this thought are two things. One, zooming out and looking at the direction that our economy is heading and the future for not just my children, but your children as well. And then the other thing is I look at what they're being taught in school. Think back to my own education. I mean, gosh, I was expelled from school in the 9th grade. I struggled through school. I thankfully went on to have success and become an entrepreneur and write some books and do some things. But it wasn't any thanks to what I learned in school. Because to thrive in our future, one, we already know that jobs are going away. That's a fact. We already see that AI is emerging at such a fast rate that many of the jobs that these people or children are being prepared for are going to be gone. But in addition to that, how does one really thrive in today's economy? And I'll tell you what, for the most part, it's not the person that's working the 9-to-5 job that's on a payroll, a W-2 employee. Those aren't the ones that are thriving. It's the people that are independent contractors, the ones that are entrepreneurs, the ones that are, guys like construction workers, electricians, barbers, people that are really making money because there's no cap on what they can make. But that's not what our school system prepares us for. Our school system doesn't even teach us anything about money other than when you're first learning how to count and you might do the little stacks of pennies and dollars. But they're not trying to set us up to thrive. And I see that with my own children's education. And I will say this, I have my children in a private Christian school, and the only reason I have them in a school system is because they're learning about God. That's extremely important to me. That being said, if it wasn't for that and the small community of people that they're around in that school, I would homeschool them. I just have learned that to rely on an educational system that was designed by the government is just setting us up for failure. What do they teach you at school? Like right now, my kids are so stressed out with these state testings that are taking place. And they're like, oh, I got to do this and I got to get these tests done and we're sitting in these hours and I can't miss any days. And it's like, those tests don't mean anything. They mean nothing. Yes, they may mean getting some funding for the school, but again, these school systems are not setting up our children for their future. It's not teaching them how to think critically. It's not teaching them how to really succeed in life. It's teaching them how to memorize things, and it's teaching them how to comply, how to be obedient. You get to school at 8 o'clock, you get, a 20-minute recess, you get a lunch, you get another recess, and then you get to go home. And in between that, you better sit at your desk and you better behave. Like that is so far from what any child should be going through. And again, I know this is a divisive conversation for the simple fact that I have strong opinions. I have strong opinions on relying on the government for things, right? It's part of the reason I'm an entrepreneur. I didn't always think that way. I used to be the other way. I used to think the other way, that we should always have our hand out and get as much help as we can from the government. But then I've watched how things move and how things really work. And if you really want to get ahead, it takes personal agency. And so where should the focus be? Obviously, if you're watching my videos and you follow or you subscribe to this channel, you'll know that a lot of the things that we talk about are macroeconomics, global economics. Where are things heading? We are going through such a big shift right now, worldwide. Everything is changing, and it's changing at a fast rate. And unfortunately, there's going to be a lot of people that get left behind because they don't know any different. They haven't been taught to think different. They haven't been taught to think critically or to have discernment or to question things, challenge the narrative. They're believing everything that they're spoon-fed. And again, that's part of the issue that I have with the school system. Because I can see how a student or a child can go through our school system and then go off into college and be completely brainwashed and given these ideas of things that they should believe and concepts that are so far from what's real. Because there's an agenda behind everything. And that's the part that's scary, is that there's an agenda behind everything. From the school systems to the news media. Like, I don't know if this has changed, but all of the media systems that we see, for the most part, are owned by 6 different companies. All of them. So what is put out to us is such a controlled narrative. And if you haven't been taught how to think critically and you believe everything that you're being fed, then it's no wonder why there's so many people running around this world like it's like talking to a brick wall, and I'm sure they'll show up here in the comments. Because they are that person that has been taught to not think critically and to not use discernment. And so rather than trying to figure things out, they are attached to these narratives that makes them emotional and angry and all of this stuff. And again, I believe it starts at the school system. I've read a lot of old books, a lot of old books. And it's one of the ways that they indoctrinate. And it's one of the ways that they try and shift future generations is through the school system. Why do you think everybody was forced to wear masks in 2020? It had nothing to do with, those masks didn't even work. It was to indoctrinate and to teach people, young future adults, our future generation, how to be compliant and that it's okay to wear a mask. That's why I was so against it. Anyways, I can go on this topic forever, but let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the school system? Am I out of line for having these thoughts? Is our school system designed in a way to keep us broke, to keep people down? Or is it really, am I missing something, and are they setting you up to thrive? I don't know. Maybe I'm completely wrong. I would love to hear a counter argument. That's my opinion on it, but I want to hear yours. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Donnie Joseph. On this channel, we talk about crypto, investing, wealth building, mindset, macroeconomics. So if any of that stuff interests you, subscribe to the channel, engage with the content, and until next time, we'll talk soon.